This is Holystone's HS175G. The camera's pointed straight forward. I'm going to rotate it down. That's all I can do. Here's the controller. I'm rotating it. No matter what I do, it doesn't go down. It's like 45 degrees. It's supposed to go down 90 degrees like so. And I'm able to get it to do that and go all the way up. So it's time to take this bad boy apart to see if a gear is broken or needs to be oiled. Now I'm not able to go up, but if I give it a little finesse, it goes up. I got this toolkit. It's got just about every imaginable tool in here. I guess I forgot to put one away. I need here is a Phillips, a real small one. I need to get in there. This is a little longer shank. It just barely gets in there. But I can make it work. If not, I got this other one that I'm able just to get to the side and get the screws out. I want to get the guard off. I don't want to apply pressure. I apologize if you can't see due to the overhead angle. So I tilt my screwdriver to the side. I have a magnet, so in case I need to get it out via magnet, I can. I got a pair of tweezers if I need to actually grab it and pull. Kind of stuck on the door. So let's do the other one on the opposite side. So I'll tilt it to the side like this so you can see what I'm doing. As I lift and pull away, this has a little tab here. This basically is your protector for your camera. You don't need it, but it holds your camera in. As you can see how it shakes and rattles. I have on the side over here is a screw. I'm just going to loosen it up a little, tighten it back up, make sure my tool is turning. I don't want to over tighten it. I want to see if it applies any pressure. I feel a little bit of a residuance right there. All right, what I've done here is I basically just turned on my transmitter and I got my 90-degree back. I didn't put any oil or anything. So what I am going to go do now is get some silicone spray, put it in there. But this is all I did. I came here, I loosened up, and there I go. I'm able to get my 90-degree. And I just came back and I retightened. Maybe something got caught in there. I let the tool do this tightening. Right there, that's it. It goes back pretty quick, little angle. A little bit caughtness over here. And there I go. If I give it a little oomph over here, maybe the rubber, the cable, I don't know. Cable's right there. Let me go get a little grease and put it in there. Before I spray, I'm just going to make sure I cover my lens. Give a little spray right in here. It is best not to put a battery in, but you have to put a battery in to do testing. So I'm going to remove my battery safely, shut my transmitter off and let it continue to its charge, and put the case on without losing those screws the way it came off. And do your last test. Down, and up, down, and up, and we're all completed. That is how you do a little general maintenance of the HS175G.